Decepticons, you are in grave danger. I am Optimus Prime. I must warn you that at this very moment, the Decepticons are mobilizing to take over Orlando. Their plan is to destroy the human race. They will ravage your planet like they did our own, until it is consumed with death. But hope is not lost. We can rise against evil and defeat Megatron, but we cannot do it alone. Humans, we need your help to defend mankind before it is too late. Orlando, the time has come to prepare for battle.
Earthlings, soon you will all perish.
There's better be a critical stealth transport pod assigned to evacuate human troops from harm's way. But I'm also on reserve to help get the All-Spark out of the city if the Voltaire comes under attack. I'm supposed to partner with human navigators, but they told me there isn't anyone they can spare, so I asked them, what about the recruits? The more eyes we have, the better. We'll have to react fast to keep the All-Spark away from them. So think it over while
Alright, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Glad I've got company. Now, put on your glasses. These are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, alright. Watch out! It's Ravage! He's after the All-Spark! Whoa! We gotta catch him! Behind you! Got it! Mission's a go! Come on, let's get out of this city! Hey, please, maybe a little warning for me next time? Fools, you can't escape Megatron. Reverse thrusters, full How do we find a way out of here? Wrong way, we're trapped! Your planet belongs to me. Take cover! Look, escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. Where's Vortex? We need cover. Hold on. Sideswipe. They trusted you with this mission. We got it. My gun's jammed. Storm again. Activate battle shields. We're hit! Come on! Brace yourself! Everybody okay? Gotta find a way down. Optimus! Heroes fight! Your war is with me! Protect the Allspark. Just drop me. We're on our own. What do we do? No more running, recruits. You want the Autobot? You cannot. Oh no! Evac, report.
Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with evac anytime.